Hello. This is how you create the cash flow. So first of all, this is the final budget. If you want to display it below, you can go to this activity usage profile. These are the costs, and we move to bottom and then show this. So this is the S curve. So you can change what you want to display here. You can then I will now open my Excel sheet and then paste the information here. You can see I have all the information. So I have some columns which I don't need. I'm going to select and expand. I don't need this. I'm going to delete this. I don't need this also. I'm going to delete this. Duration is also going. Activity. So here I have all the information I need for this. So you can see this is the total cost for this. So if you want to confirm, you can just highlight. So it is not displaying because I need to remove this dollar sign. So I'm going to highlight all, then replace. I'm going to this dollar sign, find all, and then replace all. So I'll click OK. I've replaced. So the moment I highlight now, you can see the total is 6,000, and here is also 6,000. So the next is adding the columns. So the next is formatting the columns. So here I will select this and then change it to whatever color I want. Use this or this. So here I can change the formatting in the green. Now highlight everything. Border and fonts. So the next is displaying the monthly cash flow. I'm going to match this. I'll change this to yellow, all bordered. So add this, all bordered. So the first is the monthly cash flow. So I'm going to click on this up to this point and then go to sum. So this is my summary for the first month. So this applies to the same. So I can just click and drag to apply to the rest of the columns. So now this is the cumulative monthly, equals to this, equal to, and here is going to be equals to this plus this, then click OK. So then I can also drag this to this point. And at the top, I can highlight everything here, match cell, use the fonts. So I can add border to this, make it bold. So you can see I have everything ready now. So basically that is how you create it from your Primavera P6. You highlight, you copy, and then you paste in Excel. But you have to display um, the activity user spreadsheet. You highlight the areas you want to display. You copy the range, the date range where you want to copy, and then you click on Control C and then paste in Excel. Then do the other formatting. So that is all. So thank you. See you on our next project.